Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect two virtual machines in Azure that are in different virtual networks. We'll create two VMs, two VNets, set up VNet peering between them, disable the firewall, and finally test the connection using a simple ping command. And now I know you guys are not getting what I'm saying right now. So to demonstrate this, let me enter into the Azure portal. This will be the login as I already have my student subscription that is given from my college, so I can directly sign in to the Azure. Okay, so this is the interface of Microsoft Azure. You can see the resources, and you also can see the education where all the credits that I have been received from my student account will be shown over here. So these are my total credits, that is 100 US dollars, which is equivalent to 8,872 rupees. And out of that, I have spent 106.95 rupees of my credits. So let's go. So let's start by creating the first virtual machine. So here we'll be just going, this is called the global search, where we will be searching for the virtual machines. And then you can see the virtual machine here. Just click on it. And now we have option to create a virtual machine here. You can go with this, or you also have an option over here. Just click on it, virtual machine. Here, so I click on the create new because we are going to create a new source group. For now, we will leave rest all as it is. Later, we'll be connecting to all the networking concepts, and then we'll be coming back to this. Then you all will get an idea about what are these concepts and all. So let's get started. So it should be a valid name. I am giving it as web server RG, that is resource group. It's taking a while. Yeah. So this is my resource group, which is like in this resource group, I can create as many as virtual machines. For now, I can only create three because this is a student subscription. If you are a developer, then you can create more than thousands or spin all over 1,000 virtual machines as well, altogether. Okay, so I will be giving this virtual machine as VM1. This will be my first virtual machine, and then these are the regions available for my subscription. I have only around 4 to 5 regions available in my regions, so this is what I'm selecting over here under my available regions. And there, in this, no infrastructure redundancy required, select this. And then, as I am working on my Windows, so I'll be selecting this one, Windows Server 2025 Data Center Azure Edition. Yeah, just leave all this as it is. Now I'll be creating my username and password, which will which I will be using to log in into my virtual machine. So it could be anything. So this is my name, my virtual machine name, my name, through which I'll be logging in. This will be my password. Let's confirm it. Yeah, and here we need to create it as http 8. And then going with the next, you need to wait here until you get a line over here called as standard, premium SDD. So until that, you have to wait here. You shouldn't proceed without getting this line. Leave everything as it is, just proceed. In here, yeah, so this is you have to leave this as it is. This is the network that we have created, the virtual network. And in this, we also have the subnet over here. So subnet is nothing but it is like a boundary or a separate boundary within the network. It's a network within the network, a small kind of, you can take an example of a house. So a bedroom is one of the subnet. I mean, it's a subnet in all over the house. So that you can call as a boundary or something, that will be your subnet. And this public IP, you don't have any public IP here, so you'll be creating a new one here. So just click on OK. Your public IP will be selected here. So you'll be getting a new IP, public IP. Just leave everything as it is, proceed. Yes, proceed. All these settings we'll be learning in the next videos. If I explain you all of these options, you will not understand it right now. So let's go with very simple, what we call the creation of virtual machines. So just click on Nets, leave everything as it is. And the last step is review plus create, where the virtual machine is getting created. It takes a while. You need to wait until you get this option as. And if you want to check any loadings or any of the virtual machines deleting or something, you have the notification bar over here. You can just go on this bar and click on this, where you'll be finding all the activities going on in the interface. For now it's empty, I'll be showing you later. So here, it takes a while. Yes, you can see the notification over here. Yes. Yeah. The deployment is in progress, which means you have successfully created your virtual machine, but it is getting deployed here. So now, after downloading it, after I clicked on it, so yeah, after the download, when I click on this, so just click on connect. Your virtual machine is going to connect now. The password which we gave in the second page, enter that password. Enter the correct password. Do not keep any mistakes there. And once you enter all your correct credentials, your virtual machine will be connecting over here. You can see the blank screen is there. So this is still connecting. And yeah, you can see your new virtual machine over here. This will be your new virtual machine. So you have all the options here. You have the option of roles and features. So all this will be going to see in upcoming videos. For now, we are just going with the basics. So let's minimize this. Yeah. So now we have seen this. Now we'll be creating a new virtual machine. That is the virtual machine 2. As we already have a resource group, just click on the available resource group. Do not click on create new, because while creating the VM1, we already have created the new resource group named as web server RJ. So you need not create any new resource group over here. Just uh, keep the previous one, but the virtual machine name should be different, which will be your VM2. The zone is as it is. Select this as new infrastructure redundancy required, and this will be your Windows. The image will be Windows, and everything will be as it is. Your username will be same, or you could keep it anything. There's no any restrictions for this. Just click. Yeah, as the passwords are saved in my computer, so that is why I can directly click on that. So do not forget to include this HTTP. And then next on disk, as I told you to wait till you get this premium SSD. Yes, proceeding with the networks and everything, just leave everything as it is. So yeah, this will be your, yeah, So the public IP address, do not click on create new as it is already created. You need not create anything here. Just leave everything as it is. Just scroll down, click on next, proceed. Do not click on anything else. Just proceed with this. And now the last one is just wait a while till all these options are loaded over here. Do not proceed because you'll be stucking over there while creating your virtual machine. So to avoid those issues, please stay here. Yeah. Once everything is done, just click on review plus create. It takes a while. It's done. Click on create. You can see a pop-up here initializing the deployment. This will take a while for deploying your virtual machine. As you can see, your virtual machine 2 is also created here. Just click on go to resource. See the process, everything is same that you have done for your VM1. So repeat the same process for your VM2. And here just click on connect. And then you'll be getting this, downloading your RDP file here. Click on this. So this is getting downloaded. Okay, once you complete your download, just click on it, proceed with all your options. Nothing complicated. Click on this. So this will be your virtual machine 2, which will be a replica of your VM1. So this is exactly as. So now we'll be going to VNet, or just type in the search bar as VNet. So this will be your virtual networks. It's already created because you can see, you can recall where we were creating the virtual machines, in which we had these as VNet and all these options here. So this is your V1 VN1, that is your virtual network 1. This will be your virtual network 2. So we have two networks for one virtual machine, one network. For two VMs we have two VNets. Now we should establish a connection, right? So that is called peering here. So just click on it, and under settings you'll be finding a feature here that is pairings. Just click on it, and here click on add. This could be anything. Just give it a meaningful name, that is we are linking virtual machine to, or we are linking, sorry, we are not linking the virtual machines, we are linking the networks. So we are linking network 2 to network 1. So this is your first, this is your remote network. And your this, you should select your virtual network. So this will be your virtual network, that is the VNet to which you're connecting, right? Yeah. This is all about the load balancing, that is forwarding the traffic and everything, that is allowing the gateway. This all will be covering in our next video. And here this is the local network, local peering. This is, one is remote and one is local. So this will be link 1 to 2. Give a different name. This is link 2 to 1. This will be your link 1 to 2. That is 2 peering. So you're linking from 1 to 2 and 2 to 1. So just click on add. Once you add, you can see in the notification here. So the virtual network peering is creating here. Yeah, it's getting created. So you can see link 1 to 2 is done. And now it's proceeding with link 2 to 1. Yeah. So successfully we have created this. So now what we will be doing is we will be going into the virtual machines, and there in the command prompt we will be trying to connect it. So as you can see here, now We are entering to the virtual machines here. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm in my VM1 here. So I am going to the command prompt. Just click on Windows R and then you'll be typing CMD, which is your command prompt. Now just type this as ipconfig/all. Sorry, I missed I here. My laptop is a bit slow because I'm creating a lot of virtual machines and services in this. Yeah. So just note down this address. Right now you're in your virtual machine. You're in your virtual machine 1, right? So this will be your IP address of your virtual machine. So note this out. This is 172.16.0.4. And here, now, this will be your VM1. So let's minimize this, go to your VM2, and let's check your VM2's IP address. It should be different, okay? It shouldn't be the same one as we are connected to different networks. So it shouldn't be same, and no two networks will be having same IP. That is, you can take an analogy as you have a room and you cannot keep two people in that. That is, you have room for your individual, right? So you cannot keep two or more people. That is the same thing. IP address is a individual thing, so which you cannot assign. So you cannot assign two networks to a single IP address. That isn't possible. So you can note down your IPv4 address. So this is there's a difference here that was 16.0.4. So this is your 17.0.4. So now I'm noting down. So here I'll be just clicking ping 172 point. This is 17 in my VM2. In VM1, so I'm connecting from VM2 to VM1, right? So you have to enter your VM1's IP address. So my VM1 IP address is 172.16.0.4. So yeah, after connecting this, just enter. See, I have 172. You can also have 10 series such as 10.0.1.4 or 10.0.1.2 or something like that, followed with the 10 series. I have this IP address. So you can see this request timed out. So why is this exactly happening? So you're not receiving. It means 100% loss. That means you're not receiving anything from virtual machine 2. So the request is timed out. No packets are sent. So the packets are sent, but it is not received. So you have 100% loss here. So this is because there are firewalls in your machines which restricts from connecting the IP addresses or connecting your virtual machines or networks. So for this, what you have to do is you just have to go in your menu, click on, just type firewall, enter. You have this Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. So every of your machine, every Windows machine will be having, I don't know about mine. So this is the Windows machine firewall. Just click on it, open it. So guys, currently I'm in virtual machine 2. Okay. So yeah, once you open, you'll be seeing this. Just scroll down. You can see Windows Defender firewall properties. Click on it and you can see turn this off. Go to private profile, turn this off. Go to public profile, turn this off. So do it for everything. Okay, the domain, private and profile, public profile, you have to turn it off and then click on OK and done. See, now you're in VM2. Now you have, disabled the firewall in VM2. So what about VM1? Let's go into VM1 and do the same thing over there. Just go here, go to your firewall, that is your advanced firewall, click on it. This will be your firewall. Go to this. As I told, turn it off. If any of this is turned on, you cannot connect to it. So just turn it off. Yeah. Okay. So done. Make sure you don't close this because this is your virtual machines bar. And now, see, I'm in VM1 right now. So I'll be pinging 172 point, not 16, it should be 17 because you're pinging for another network. So 0.4, sorry, it's 4, enter. So as you can see, you're not getting a request timed out, you're getting a reply from 172.17. These, I mean, reply from, that means you're getting reply from the other IP address, I mean, the other network you can see here. So this is your success. I mean, you have successfully connected your uh, networks, your IP addresses, or you have, what I can say is you have successfully established your connection between it. So let's also check in VM2 as well. So let's go in VM2. So let me add 172.16.0.4, enter. See, you can also see here. So you're getting the reply from VM1. There you got the reply from VM2. Now the connection is successfully established here. So this is the connection how we will be establishing between two virtual machines. So you can also establish a connection between three virtual machines, four virtual machines. There is a lot of machines where you can connect with each other, and you'll be allowing the load balancing. You'll be going with the gateways and everything. So we'll be seeing all this in the upcoming videos. And now, once we are done with this, so before this, guys, make sure if you're working on any of the cloud platform, before you end up your, I mean, before you end your learnings or anything, just make sure you create, I mean, delete all your resources that you have created. If you leave it on, I mean, if you even click on this, if you close your PC, it will be still running over there. So these platforms will be charging you based on the resources you have created. It could be $1 for 2 hours or 1 hour. Or for me, it's $0.20, that is USD for 1 hour. So this is how they'll be charging for you. So please make sure before you close your device, make sure you delete all your resources, peerings, networks, anything. It could be what you have created, else it will be counting out. I mean, it will be piling up your amount will be piling up here. You'll be, as you can see here, this is 106. I mean, this much of services I have spent, which costed me around 106.95 rupees for now. I mean, for what I have created. So if I leave this till morning, it will be around something 500, I guess. So please make sure you delete everything. So I'll also show you how to delete it. So just go to peering. We have created a peering, right? So go to virtual networks. Make sure you delete the peerings. Guys, please pardon me because this is my first video. I don't know if I'm nervous or I'm making any grammatical mistakes. Please pardon me for this. I'll make sure I am very perfect with my pronunciations or whatever from the next video, and I'll try to improve myself. Just you have to enter here delete to confirm your deletion. Just click on it, confirm your deletion. I don't know, I'm still nervous. I'm not able to pronounce my words properly. Please pardon me for that. Yeah. So your peering is successfully deleted. So just now, what you have to do is go to your resource group. It's recently here. It's there. Go to your resource groups, and there, if you delete the, do not delete this. This is something different, which is the networking resource group. Do not delete that. Just click on this. Just click on this. I mean, enter into this. Go here. Instead of going and individually selecting the networks, everything, just in one shot you can delete everything. Just click on this, select everything, click on delete resource group. You have to enter the resource group. What I have given is web server rg. So enter it. Do not click, do not type delete here, type your resource group name. So it will take a while because it's still deleting. Yeah. So guys, it took me 2 minutes and still the process is going on. So do not worry, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes, not beyond that. If you have created many virtual machines, it might take a while. But still, I have only created the two virtual machines, so it's taking 2 minutes. Just a minute. Yes. Now I guess it will be deleted. As you can see, the resources are deleted now. I'm turning it off. Yeah. So see, you cannot see any of the resources. If you're getting it again, just refresh it. Your browser will be clean. So guys, please make sure you delete the resources before ending your Azure or any of the cloud platform. See, the resource group is deleted, so you don't see any resource group here. If you still see any of the resource group here, just click on the refresh and you'll be not finding any resource group here. So this is the how this is how we connect the two virtual machines networks. Not virtual machine, it's network, just like a bridge. We're not connecting the buildings, we're connecting a two buildings with a bridge, so that bridge is network. So these are some analogies which will be which is more clearer to understand. And yeah, that's it. So I'll be honest, this is my first time recording and uploading my video on YouTube. So please guys, if you if you found any of the tiny mistakes that I have done, as I'm very nervous, so please pardon me for this. uh, I'll be like, by practice I'll be improving myself. I'll make sure that. And yeah, so if you like the video guys, please share, like, subscribe, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you'll be getting the more videos on Azure cloud services. Also comment it down guys if you have any doubts, or if you want any more clearance or clarity on this. I'll be posting a next video on that. Thank you so much.